What's up? What's good? What's new, mga Bisaya?
Welcome to
our channel!
For today's video, we're gonna play a
Chubby Bunny! Yay! So, natay guest karon. Boys, introduce yourselves.
I am G-Boy.
Yes, and you are? Kuya CJ!
Kuya CJ and Egypt. So, unsaon man siya pagdula? Mami Casey.
Tangan.
I-explain sa atong mga guest ang rules.
We know.
No, just listen.
Sige, explain.
Sige,
Okay.
explain.
You explain.
Now, do not eat the marshmallows. Put them in your mouth and do not
As many as you can.
as many as you can.
Do not eat them, ha?
Whoever not eats the most is the winner.
Hindi naman siya i-eat.
No, hindi siya.
I said no eating.
Yes,
Yeah,
no eating.
just put them in your mouth.
Yes, and put it here. The most
If you can
marshmallows.
say no longer the Chubby Bunny, you lose.
The most marshmallows is the winner.
Yeah, that's
When
good.
I eat, I can say any word. So that means
Sige na, let's... Tara!
Tara, G!
1, 2, 3, go!
Tara, G!
Okay. Ito.
Ako na.
Okay, go!
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Look at the camera.
Chubby Bunny.
Sige na kaya. Sige, go, Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Ah! Go. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Look at the camera and say Chubby Bunny.
Say Chubby Bunny. Ikaw.
That still counts.
Chubby Bunny. Ito na, may 3 na. Ayun na!
Up on the beginning.
Okay,
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny! Ayun!
Chubby Bunny. Yeah!
Okay, boys, did you have fun?
Interview sa nato ang mga contestant. Did you have fun?
Because I cannot chew it. I don't know what to do. I'm almost know what.
What did you do to the marshmallow?
It was yes. I swallow it up.
Then,
That's it. I swallow it up because it's so. See, that's almost dalawa yung put it in my
in your mouth.
How many did you have in your mouth?
3.
How about you, Kuya CJ?
How
Come here,
about you,
Kuya
CJ?
Come here.
3.
Ano ba?
No, you're lying.
I'm a
4. Give it a 4. 4.
I already swear in the mouth.
3 and 4. Wow.
Yes. So yes, mga Bisaya, moto mong dula karon and gabi sa kalingaw and kaya ako may gidaog. So ang bragging rights ako ay ano sa mga
Okay, so wait lang. Pila imo ha? 3, 4, and ako 5. And
6. Basta may prize na ko.
Nakaginting na 100 pesos!
Yeah, kaya ko sa
No, secretly, it's snooping.
So mga Bisaya, dito ko taman and nalingaw kay mi sa challenge nga Chubby Bunny. And naiingon ako mga pagumangkot sa inyo.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. So if you like our video, like, hit the like button and
And then
If you're new to our video, please subscribe.
if you're new to our channel, if you're new to our channel,
Please subscribe.
like the video and turn on the notification bell for more updates.
And videos.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.